Hello friends, you might have received email from Google that you need to submit your US tax info to Google. So what it is, why we have to submit this info and how to do that. So I am making this video to help you guys. So I did this procedure. So actually why we need to submit this information, the reason is we need to pay the tax to US government if we are earning from the US viewers. Means if you are YouTuber and your videos are being watched in the US and if you are earning money from that, then we need to pay the tax to US government. So don't worry about it. Please note that this is not a tax on your whole income. This is just a tax on income that you earn because of your US viewers. So okay, let's start how to do this. So you might have received the email, or if you go to your YouTube studio, so you will see this kind of message at the top. All YouTube creators and partners are required to submit tax information to ensure any applicable taxes on your payments are accurate. So you have to click here, manage tax info. Okay. Then it will give you some message that to get a payout, to get payouts from Google, make sure you provide tax information. So click on add tax info. So you have to verify your account and it will take you to the sign in screen. Okay, if your pop-up blocker is on, please off it. So you will get this info, United States tax info. So what type of account is Sandeep Gundap? It's me. So I am an individual. Are you a citizen or resident of United States? In my case, it's no. Then type of form. Which type of form you have to fill? So W8BN. This form is most commonly used by non-US individuals. Okay. And this one 8ECI is for business entity. So I am selecting first one. Go ahead. So this is my name of individual. So then you have to mention if you are doing business as something. So no need to fill this one. Then country, you have to select your country, whatever country you have input in your YouTube account. India in my case. And for India, foreign TIN is a tax in identification number. So for Indians, it's a PAN card number. Okay, please remember, for Indians it is a PAN card number. So if you are from other countries, just let's check with what is the document you have to submit or you have to mention here. Then click next. Then it will take you to the address page. So here you have to give the address which you have provided for your AdSense account. Okay, so please be ready with this beforehand. Please remember, you have to give the address which you have given in your AdSense account. So I am typing my address. So you can tick on this. Mailing address is same as a permanent residence address. Hopefully in both cases you might have given the same address. So you just tick here. So this is the address as per my AdSense account. I have given in AdSense account. Okay, then next. So tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? So we have to say yes. So resident of country claiming treaty with the US, and we have to mention our country, India. India has a treaty with US for the tax claiming. In special rates and conditions. So first one is the services, AdSense. So you have to select Article 7 and paragraph 1, and the withholding rate is a 0%. Here you have to select 0%, not a 30%. Otherwise it will reduce 30%. So just tick on next options. Then for motion picture and TV, YouTube, Google Play, Article 12 and paragraph 2A2. This is a 15%. So this one is not 0%. This is a 15%. Then again tick on these two things. Then tick on agreement. Then other copyrights. In this case, Article 12 and paragraph 2A2. Here also 15% reduced tax. Next. Then your form is filled and it is ready here, ready for the submission. So you just confirm here that I confirm that I have reviewed and generated tax documents, and click on next. Then here you have to give your signature. You just type your full name. So full name as per the document you are submitting for the AdSense account, or better way should be as per your passport. And then yes, I am person listed in a signature section and I am completing this form on my own behalf, because you are filling this form yourself. So just click on first option. Then activities and services performed in US and affidavit. So has the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section perform any activities and services for Google with US? In this case, click on no and then certify. The next one is, are you providing tax info for a new or existing payments? So here are two options. So first one is, for example, you have so first one is, I am providing tax info for first time. So if you haven't received any payment from Google, then you select first one, and if you have received any payments, then you can select second one. So in my case, this is a new one, and I never received any payment, so I am selecting first option, submit. Okay, and it's done. So your information is already submitted. So you can see here form W8BEN you have selected for individual, and it is status is approved, submitted by is my name. Then these are the options, tax forms and withholding rates. So for motion picture and TV we selected 15%, and then for other copyrights we selected 15%, and for services and for W8BN services 0%. So this is it done. So this is the procedure you have to do to fill this form. So many times we did not get any right information how to fill this form. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.